How to log in First Citizen Bank online account. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. So today, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in www.firstcitizens.com and click on enter. Once done, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your account, go ahead and click on Log In on your top right. You will see this pop up and you have to select your login type. Once done, enter your ID. Likewise, enter your password and go ahead and click on Login. In case you have forgotten your ID or your password, go below Forgot ID/password to get help. And if you want to create yourself First Citizen digital banking account, then you can go ahead and click on Enroll Now to get yourself an account. Just like so, this is how you get logged into your account. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.